Welcome to the channel, everybody. Today we have this 750 Li. Then I replaced the battery. If you want to know how to replace the battery on this 750 Li, you can check my video on the corner of this video right now, where we have a link how to replace the battery, the video how to replace the battery. In this case, in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the battery interval, how to reset the battery adaptation. But something that you have to know is, like, if you don't have a tool, because you need a scan tool like this to actually do a battery adaptation. In this case, I have a Solus Edge, but you can buy different kinds of scan tools that are cheaper than this, or battery scan tools that are just made for battery replacements, battery adaptation resets. And if you don't have a scan tool to do this process, it is not mandatory to do it, but it's recommended to do it. You can replace the battery you own and don't do a battery adaptation, and the car will run fine. But the reason why you need to do a battery adaptation is because the system, the module that controls the battery, learns how the battery is being charged. So when you have a new battery and you install the battery on the vehicle, the module thinks then you still have an old battery and will just charge it the way it was before with the bad battery. When you replace a new battery, you reset the adaptation of the battery. So the module starts learning how to recharge the new battery, so it gives the maximum performance to the battery so it can last long. And that's the only reason why you have to do a battery adaptation. But if you don't have a tool, you don't have to do it right away. You can do it later if you want, but it's always recommended to do it. So today I'm going to show you how to do it. And as I said before, you need a scan tool, and anything that does the job is fine. Doesn't matter what brand you have, as long as it resets the battery. So once you have the scan tool, hook it to the AUDI port over there. All you have to do is insert the information of the vehicle. As you can see here, we have the full VIN number and the description of the vehicle, because that's this car. And then we'll continue. And the battery adaptation is located on the engine, the computer, the DME. That's where the battery adaptation is going to be. So we click on this one, continue, and then we go to functional test. It will vary depending of the brand of the scan tool. This section over here, we go to special functions, and then it has here battery replacement. As you can see, that's where we're gonna replace the battery. So we click on this one, and it says display the history of the battery or register the battery. We can check right now, display history of the battery, to see what's going on here. Okay, it says that the battery has never been replaced. So this battery, the one that this vehicle had, it was a Bosch battery. That means that this battery was replaced, but whoever replaced it in the past never did a battery adaptation. So it will be the first time for the module to know then the battery was replaced. So now we want to do here, register a new battery, and it will give you this. So it is just information, and then we just like continue. The battery replacement is programmed to the next step. Entry cannot be cancelled. Okay, yes, we can do continue. Okay, ensure then the ignition is on and the engine is off. Engine is running right now, as you can see. So what we have to do is turn it off and put the ignition on, like this. Ignition on, engine off, and then we hit continue. Oh, it says it failed because it didn't register it, so we have to start again, or start over again. So we do here again, and reset was complete. So now the battery replacement is done. So we go exit, and now we go again to battery replacement, and we display the history of the battery replacement. And you can see it says that the battery replacement was replaced at this mileage over here, and that's the exact mileage that the vehicle has right now, as you can see over here. So it is the freeze time for the module to know then the battery was replaced. So this is how you replace the battery. And after this, we just like close this, like exit, and that's pretty much all. That's how you reset the battery interval, or battery adaptation of a BMW. In this case, this process is going to be similar for all BMWs from 2006, 2004 and up, because that's where the AUDI system, 2002 actually, because that's where the E66, E65 came out with the new AUDI system up to date. It's going to vary on the process, but the way to do it is pretty much the same. Some stuff are going to vary on how to do it, engine off, engine on, or anything else. But the basic of how to do is this. So for all of you that want to know how to do the battery replacement, battery adaptation, this is the way to do it. Okay, so now you know, then it is important to do the battery registration on a BMW, but it is not mandatory. It is not like if you don't do it, something bad will happen. The only bad thing that can happen is that the battery won't last that long. That's the only bad thing that can happen. But other than that, nothing else. Nothing will go bad. Nothing will destroy your engine or something. So that will be all to show you right now. Follow our channel, where we have great content like this for all of you that want to work on your own cars. We're planning to upload more and more videos about this for all of you that are afraid to work, but you want to work. With these videos, all of you are getting to know your vehicle better, especially BMW is a brand that people is scared of, but it is easy to work on once you know. Make sure to give thumbs up to the video if you like the video, and follow us on Instagram. We have a direct link on the description below, so you can follow us there and see other content that we post there as well. And make sure to subscribe to our channel to don't miss any content we love.